Hi guys, how are you? I'm Eva and welcome to our channel. I'm standing in front of my beautiful greenhouse or mesh house and wanted to show you a little update because the very first tomato is turning red now, so and also other stuff is happening in there as well. So come with me and I show you. And if you have any comments or tips or questions, put them down in the comment section below. And also like, subscribe and hit the little bell on the side next to the subscription button, so you always get notifications when I put a new video up. And now come with me, I show you what is happening there. And if you want to see how we built the mesh house from scratch, check the description below. I will put a link to the video, or just check under my other videos. So yeah, let's get into it. So welcome in my little paradise. So the beautiful radishes growing so good. Did you know, by the way, that you can eat the leaves of the daikon radish? It's delicious. You can use it fresh, like on sandwich, in the salads and so on. And of course you can see here how I'm harvesting the leaves all the time. And there is the beautiful radish. Just waiting to get out of the soil. And yeah, daikon radish is my favorite of all radishes because it's growing super quick and it's super delicious. So, and you can use it for many things. You can use it in stir fries, you can use it fresh in a salad. I think I've got a few recipes in there as well. But yeah, while I'm here at the beginning, so I wanted to show you how the progress looks like. So I've got here plenty of new radishes. This is the second sort of radishes. This is the tokinashi radish. You can see the leaves are a little bit different. They are like more hairy, not so soft, and a bit darker in color. So the radish itself tastes pretty much the same, very yummy, grows as big as the daikon radish, but the tokinashi is more suitable for the hotter summer months we have here in subtropics. So that is why I have tried to grow this one. You can see it looks pretty good. So the radishes are awesome. The leaves, we have tried them as well. You can eat them as well, but they are a little bit more hairy. So I prefer from the leaves, I prefer the daikon radish. But apparently the tokinashi here, which we see right now, it's apparently better in growing in the summer months. And the daikon is better in winter. So I put the seeds of both and we will see how we go. So yeah. But now let's move back into here. So these are the eggplants. They're looking really good. So I've got all of these growing from seeds. So I cannot complain. So looking good. Let's move to this side again, because I want to show you from the beginning here the beautiful tomatoes which are growing here like crazy. So this is the difference, guys. If you grow it under a mesh, under a net, you can see the size of them. They're pretty. They have absolutely no holes, nothing. They love the shade here. Oh, look at this guy. So, lots and lots of tomatoes. This will be the very first year for me when I have tomatoes of this size and that healthy fruits. So yeah, I had here some bok choy, so already harvested all of it, and we'll put some new seeds in there as well. There is some self-seeded nasturtium. Yeah, so look at the bunches. So they're growing really good. Of course, everything organic, no chemicals, nothing, because this is the only way I grow the food in my gardens. If you wanna see, look at this beauty. If you wanna see my simple natural fertilizer I have done and do all the time now, I made a video about it, so check it in my videos. It's simple. If you have chooks, you can do it. If you don't have chooks, you can buy chicken manure at the markets. At least at our place here they got it. So here, look at this pretty. Okay, here's some spinach, which also would be already eaten away when this would be outside. And some beautiful beetroot. I always had trouble with beetroot. Not anymore. The only trouble I have here actually is the little slugs which love the capsicum. Obviously you can see here. So I have tried a new way to get rid of them, because obviously I won't spray anything, and I have tried a new thing which is the garlic and vinegar water and spraying it regularly. So I hope it will work. I'll let you know how I go. There's some self-seeded coriander here as well. You can see the next one here eaten away, and there. So this is a really disaster with the capsicums and the little slugs. They are very little but very annoying. If you know any better way without chemicals to get rid of them, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, here some more beetroot, here some more spinach. So yeah guys, I hope you liked the little update of the greenhouse, the mesh house. If you did, you know, all of it. And subscribe and share with your friends if you think they might like it as well. If you have a little bit of space in your garden, especially even I'm talking about subtropics now and tropics for sure as well. Yeah, get some mesh house and you will see the difference. It's unbelievable. I will make a next little video, little update, and compare the tomatoes growing here in the shade house, in the mesh house, and the tomatoes which I have outside, which are the same sort and both grown from seeds in the same time. Yes, I grew them all from seeds. So yeah, please check my videos, please subscribe, because this update video on comparing the two tomatoes outside and inside will come pretty soon as well. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone. Take care.